tayo ngayon sa may ferry station sa may Escolta. Punta tayo ng Makati sakay ng ferry. So ito yung pinaka-station niya, and the next trip actually would be at 1 p.m. So mga 30 minutes from now, it's 12:30. Ngayon, kung gusto mo sumakay ng ferry, it's actually free. Magre-register ka lang. Meron dito sa may window na pwede ka mag-register and together with your ID. So, subukan natin. Hintayin natin yung ferry. Let's go!
Ay, meron sir ng ID?
Okay, sure. Nakakuha na tayo ng manifest, siguro tawag ito. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Escolta Station. Boat ride. Ferry boat ride tayo ng Guadalupe. So, hinihintay na lang namin. So, ay, hinihintay lang. Nakaganda yung We're here now. We're going to ride the ferry. We're going to Guadalupe. I'm so excited.
Watch your head, sir.
Watch your head. Oh, watch your head daw. Yan ang mahirap sa matangkad. This is my second time around. First time, way back 2019 pa yun. So ngayon, I think marami na we're actually approaching Guadalupe. Doon tayo. Guadalupe, sasakay tayo ng MRT going to Cubao. Alright, finally we're here now in Macaslan. So dito, hanggang dito lang tayo ngayon. Bababa na tayo. Going to Cubao. The MRT station. Alright, we're finally here. So yung biyahe natin from Escolta to Guadalupe, it took around 1 hour and 2 minutes exactly.